How to create and edit a text. Select the text icon. With a hold click, drag it to where you want to place it. Double-click on the text and replace it with the information you want to add. To customize the text, click on the Styles icon. To edit the background color of the text box, choose the background color option. You can choose a default color, to edit its properties by one click on it. By entering, you can edit its opacity. You can also edit the color tone. For each color you choose, you can also edit the opacity. This icon indicates that you do not want the text box to have a background color. By clicking on this icon, you will be able to access the custom color palette. In this area, you can choose the color of your choice. In this area, you can choose the shade of the color. To select the color, click here. To return to the color options, click in the space of the initial colors. To change the color of the text, click the text color icon. In this area, you can choose the shades of the color. In this area, you can choose the shades of green. You can edit its opacity and switch between options. By clicking on this icon, you can enter the custom colors and choose the shade of the color. To return, click on the area of the initial colors. In this typography area, you can change the font size. By dragging it to the right, you can increase the font size. This lock allows you to return the font to the default size. Dragging it to the left can decrease the font size. This option, when clicked, makes the typography bold. This option, when clicked, makes the typography italic. This option, when clicked, puts the font with underline. This option, when clicked, aligns the text in the center. This option, when clicked, justifies the text. This option, when clicked, aligns the text to the left. This option, when clicked, aligns the text to the right. The dimension area allows you to resize the text box horizontally. This option allows you to resize the text box vertically. By clicking this icon, turn off the option, size the same horizontal size. By clicking this icon, turn off the option, size the same vertical size. By double-clicking on the number, you can change its value. In the margins area, you can edit the values by double-clicking on the number. If this area is blue, it indicates that all dimensions are joined, and when you change a number, all other dimensions are automatically set to the same value. If this area is gray, it indicates that it is disabled and you can edit each number individually. You can edit both the inner and outer margin in the same way. In this border area, you can edit the width and radius. By clicking this area, you can change the color of the text box border. You can choose the default colors, or choose custom color, and choose the shade of the color. In this area, you can choose the style of the border. You can select the dots option, or the lines option, or return it to the original style. This is the database icon. Allows you to automate the halt. When you click on the blue circle, it is turned on and off respectively. Displays the text box. Lets you hide the text box. By clicking on the blue circle, you enable dynamic loading. Functions icon. Clicking on the plus icon allows you to add an event. By activating the on-press option, you enable functions within the event. When enabled, you can choose the option you want and enter a value and customize it. To exit the options, click in the text box and the panel will close. Thank you for watching this video.